What is up guys, I'm Matt and on this channel I post travel videos just like this one and also some tech reviews, so if you're new here consider subscribing. Traveling can be pretty expensive, and often booking your flights and the hotel is just the beginning of the expense. Another thing you need the money for once you get to your dream destination is experiences and the excursions, but if you get a little bit creative, they don't have to be so expensive. On our last holiday, we really wanted to do the sunset cruise. However, it was $100 per person, but with just a little bit of research, we managed to come up with this. We booked a water taxi to a nearby coastal town just before the sunset, so just take a look at those views. Coco Beach was beautiful, but don't plan to spend the whole day in there. It is just a small coastal town with few nice souvenir shops along the main road, so a couple of hours should be enough to cover everything there. We made friends with the captain of a boat, so on the way back he took us slightly off course and showed us a series of small caves. Look at that one, how the water gets trapped inside and almost explodes with each wave. It looks so cool. Now I'm just going to zoom in on those rocks for a second. Just take a look at this. There's so many crabs that the whole rock looks like it was alive. After the caves, we had another 15 minutes to enjoy those beautiful views before we had to step on the shore again. I would love to connect with all of you, so use the comment section below and let me know what was your favorite thing you did on your last holiday. So in short, the whole experience costed us only $20 and we got some unforgettable memories from that day. So don't let the price tag on the excursions and trips stop you. Think outside of the box and plan in advance and you won't have to break the bank on your next holiday. If you happen to stay at Rio Palace Hotel in Costa Rica and you want to do the same trip we did, I'll put all the details in the description box below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.